Meye county ejo nigo mongino mutangani hinse gosemeyense ya Kenya umusubati Rachel Ruto nige mambyalero habwato ko bokonyi wesiro gochi asebyombe abyabangina imeye county ya Nyamira ebyo byabereko bikugacha chibesa iri gukora obunchureria asebo asomoyega hokorekana imyegeti giasironga nsemo yebunge ya West Mugirango county ya Nyamira nigo bono ekerekyo Rachel agokera county ya Nyamira asabangina abereko bagwesokya no korosya ebinto ao wetera somogomba oribweli toke asebono abasegetire igoro yobuya bogokora usigoro yobwangina igoro yobuya bwabangina agwetenera muriketo muriketo Steven Nyari Kiembunde nere hobeka ega usenero bekema ya estinse mecho ngotonne robotiro kubwatya wakire
Nomo basorero hasegeti ya sironga hase abangina kurwase county ya Nyamira abu babeire bakubeka kibesa cyabo hase keganja inse yeri yaburi heririmanya kaine ngacho ifo women asomoyega wikiranwa nomosubati umotangane ga Kenya Rachel Ruto nabo igo kati ya barayibande umosubati umotangani haigase county ya Nyamira Emery Nyaribo asekomo bakwanera ubuyabo bosegeta bangina abo nganere bya betendere ase okogacheni bo ase keganja.
Entrepreneurship gives women more than an income. It gives them the confidence and independence to make decisions, support their families, and build a better future. I have seen it here today. Even with small farms and limited resources, there is enormous strength in women.
Kuna wengine pale nyumbani bado hawajaingia vikundi. Na tungeweza kuambia nyinyi leo muwahimize nao waingie kwa vikundi wakuwe na pesa kama nyinyi na pia wao wakuwe joyful. Nimesikia mamilioni nyumba na ng'ombe. Si hata mimi muniite nikae ndani nipate ng'ombe.
Ukwane kerekyo Rachel Ruto nige kerekyo atogirie county ya Nyamira nemono ase muruberio bo korosya emegomba ya matoke nabo igo komenta aso korosya chingori nabo igo ebinto kurwasa matoke.
Nyamira, women have taken banana farming to another level. They looked at banana stems and decided they could be more than waste. Today, those fibers are being transformed into hair braids, baskets, and other products, proving that in Nyamira, even a banana stem can get a glow up.
Ekerekyo ni Rachel Ruto boigo agwatoka esiro gocha ase byombe ibikira na somo yegoyo.
As part of our continued commitment to supporting families and communities in Nyamira, today we are providing 1,200 blankets, 20 boxes of soap, and 80 mattresses to support families in need and bring comfort and dignity to our communities. But even as we respond to immediate needs, we must also invest in the future. That is why I'm providing 5,000 has avocado seedlings.
Asengwana yabaria banyorre siro wetera obwatani oboiga nigo bakwanire gati ebinto bayikiraniri gosaba chaka ebikundi ebibyabo.
Ekyombe kyaoso gyatobutiria satambe munabangina. Ekyombe kyaoso kyagalire twasikire lero nabagaka baito. Esengendo lero mubaka ntoli gosaba anyeni. Ntoli gosaba sukali. Lero mwana akomo kugoje skulu twamubanga omwana osoko kugoje skulu yansi at Tepopangi tulianzia na 200 shillings ikapanda ikakucha mpaka sasa tuko na 6.7 million kwa kikundi yetu.
Steven Nyari Kiembunde Ensoko TV Sironga West Mugirango county ya Nyamira.